Okay, another Python tutorial for Python lovers, right? In this tutorial, we are going to get the age of the user and then add 5 to that age and print it again. Okay, here we go. So you need first a age, variable age, and you say raw underscore input quotes, enter your age please with a equal sign quotes bracket. That will give you the age, and it will ask the user to input the age, and it will store the age in variable age, var age. Now I want to add something to it. Remember, when some input is taken, it comes into the variable in the form of a string. So you actually can't add a number to a string. Let's try to do that. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to add 5 to var age. Var age now is equal to var age plus 5. So what happens is the 5 gets added, 5 gets added to var age, and then the result gets stored into var age again. I have to make that capital. Okay, var age again. So now the value of var age has changed. That's what we are thinking. But what I'm trying to say is that var age at this stage is of form string, and we are trying to add a number to it. Let's see if it works. I'm going to print in the bracket var age, and hopefully it will give me an error. Okay, let's see if it works or not. User age dot py, save, enter your age, say 45, and nothing happened, right? So it has not given the error, but it has not performed the function which we wanted, right? So let's change that var age, which was string, to int now. Int var age, int is for integer, obviously, right? Okay, so we have changed the var age, which was of string type, into int now, and in the int I can add 5, and I can I store it in var age? I have a doubt there. So what I will do, I will change it of form integer again. Okay, but should we first try to run it and see? Let's try to run it and see. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, age is 45, and oh, it does work. It does work. So beautiful. So when we typecasted the string into integer, obviously when it was stored into var age again, that var age has now become of integer type automatically, and we don't have to change it. That's cool, right? Beautiful. So let's stop it here, and that's the hopefully you learned a little bit from this. So what we can do, we can refine it a little bit. We can say your age after 5 years will be equal to, and you go plus var age, right? So run, save, 45. Oops, something happened. Strings only. We can't concatenate integer with a string. So another way of doing is that I put a bracket behind it and a comma, and I print it again. Let's see if it runs. Age is 45. Yay, after 5 years you will be 50, right? I'll stop it here, or you can change it to a string. So we can change that to a string. Let's do it another way. Another way of printing will be dash 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 Control C, V, and I change that to STR, and let's say var age and a bracket there. Let's run that. Run module, and I'm entering my age 45. Yay, it works also. Beautiful. That will be the end of the tutorial.